Lastly, you need to make your site known to the general public. For that, you have many methods such as using Facebook ads, YouTube ads, or organizing conference. Any method that you can use to increase the awareness of your brand to the public is what you should aim at having. In this module, we will mainly discuss about the cheapest way to get traffic to your site, and for that, we will apply a technique which is search engine optimization. With this technique, you essentially do not need to spend much, but you need to be patient as it takes time to kick off. How is it done? To answer this question, let's quickly move to prerequisite. For you to perform SEO, you need to understand the algorithm. Each search engine has a way of working. For you to succeed on your ranking task, we advise you understand the back-end code of how the search engine is created. For that, you simply needs to go to the search engine main site or follow their social media pages. We will not cover this aspect in our course, but it is important to know about it. Target your country. Remember the buyer persona or profile we discussed about in Module 2. Once you know who are your customers, then you are set to know how to reach them. SEO can be done at a general level, but for better results, we advise you get things done right by targeting your customers per country. A live website is a site that is already been published on the web. If there is no live website, SEO will only be of help when launching ads or pasting contents using any social media. Ensure you have a good content in all your posts. Google will not easily help in ranking you if users or visitors are not satisfied of your services. Google Tools. We advise to create Gmail account first, mainly because Google is one of the most used search engine in Africa, and for you to be ranked on the first page on Google you need to have a Gmail account so as to complete necessary settings. A list of keywords. No search engine optimization task can be done without keywords. Keywords are simply the most used words within your sector of activity. Using the right word during SEO is vital. Backlinks, also known as inbound links or incoming links or one-way links, are links from one website to a page on another website. Google and other major search engines consider backlinks votes for a specific page. Pages with a high number of backlinks tend to have high organic search engine rankings. There are many ways to build backlinks. If you don't want to cater for it, we advise you pay for such service on SEO Clark. This will not be covered in this course. Analysis tools, for sure. Before you start implementing any SEO activity on your website, you need to first analyze the site in search of any areas of improvement. Then you will need to scroll your site, then generate XML map that you will need to install in your Google setting tools. Add alt text to your images. You need to optimize your images for better ranking. Performing that will help Google know the image that belongs to you. This will be covered in Module 5. Once you have the above requirements, we can start working around. In the next video we discuss about Gmail accounts and Google SEO tools you need to have. We will not set them up now as you don't yet have a live site, but at least you will need to have accounts created.